Guys, so yesterday we decided that we were gonna try to go to a camp for the first time. So we are staying here for 2 nights, meaning yesterday to today and today to tomorrow. On this campground they have showers, areas where you can do dishes, you can do laundry. They have a swimming pool, toilets obviously. Yeah, they have a sauna. So I think we basically pulled up in one of the luxurious camps. Today we are going to do some laundry. I'm planning on washing all of our dishes with some warm water, so I'm gonna bring all of them and do that. I'm also planning on doing a small workout and do some swimming, and then get in the sauna for a while and just relax. You can see how messy it is here right now because I pulled out all of my clothes to find the dirty ones. And Wally is just chilling on a mountain of clothes. Raquel is sculpting.
Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, they know was wrong. And all the nasty things you've done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me, cause she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me, but you did, You lied to me, all this pain you said I'd never feel. You lied to me, but I do. Return of the man.
They have a steam room here, so we are gonna get in. We just had a pool workout and we're gonna relax inside there.
Don't you know? Be strong. Here I go. My little girl. What's my best? Up and down. Around and around.
So now we have had a very nice long shower. As you can tell, in our van, we just washed clothes, so our van is proper gypsy look-alike today. We're just making some lunch, so we're making some leftover. I'm just heating up some leftovers from yesterday, and we have some beans, and I'm gonna have with the French baguette. Good morning. We have been staying at this spot for a couple of days now. We just woke up. The weather has been pretty cold, between 12 to 15 degrees I think. Today it's supposed to be pretty nice and warm, up to 18 degrees. So we are going to leave this spot, which has a bathroom and all that, to go back to Dossen because we're gonna try to catch some waves.
All those times I
So we made it back to Dossen, or Le Dosse, I don't know. well, first we went to the grocery store and we bought a whole lot of good organic vegetables and fruits. And then we came here, we made some coffee and we made pasta salad. So we just ate. We checked the waves in the beach, but it's very flat. It's a very nice day. It's getting a little bit warmer, but I think that we'll probably just relax. Raquel is reading about sculpting.
Yeah.
And I'll probably draw some, and then we're probably gonna take a long walk on the beach later.